Welcome to our channel, where we explore the finest masterpieces in the world of automotive excellence. Today, we delve into the story of a brand that seamlessly blends art and engineering to create some of the most extraordinary hypercars on the planet. Founded by the visionary Horacio Pagani, this brand is more than just a car manufacturer. It's a symbol of relentless passion, innovation, and an uncompromising pursuit of perfection. From the iconic Zonda to the breathtaking Huayra, each Pagani creation is a symphony of cutting-edge technology and meticulous craftsmanship. Every curve, every detail, every component is designed to captivate and perform. Join us as we explore the exquisite artistry and groundbreaking engineering that define Pagani. We'll uncover the secrets behind their unparalleled performance, delve into the world of bespoke customization, and look ahead to the future of this extraordinary brand. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast, a lover of fine craftsmanship, or simply curious about what makes Pagani so special, you're in for a treat. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the world of automotive legends. Let's embark on this journey together. Welcome to the world of Pagani. Pagani Automobili S.p.A., commonly known simply as Pagani, is not just a car manufacturer, it is an artisan of automotive masterpieces. Founded by Horacio Pagani, an Argentine-Italian engineer, in 1992, Pagani is synonymous with hypercars that blend cutting-edge technology with unparalleled artistry. Each Pagani vehicle is a testament to the relentless pursuit of perfection, combining exotic materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and groundbreaking engineering. This exposition delves into the origins, philosophy, and creations of Pagani, exploring how this marque has carved its niche in the fiercely competitive world of high-performance automobiles. Horacio Pagani's journey to creating one of the most revered hypercar brands began in his homeland, Argentina. Born on November 10, 1955, in Casilda, Santa Fe, Pagani demonstrated an early fascination with engineering and design. His formative years were spent constructing models and experimenting with materials, a passion that would later define his career. Inspired by legends like Juan Manuel Fangio and Leonardo da Vinci, Pagani sought to merge art and science in the realm of automotive engineering. In the late 1970s, Pagani moved to Italy, the heart of automotive innovation, to pursue his dreams. His talent quickly caught the attention of Lamborghini, where he worked on numerous projects, including the iconic Countach Evoluzione. Despite his contributions, Pagani felt constrained by Lamborghini's reluctance to adopt advanced materials like carbon fiber. This limitation spurred him to establish his own company, Modena Design, in 1991, which specialized in composite materials. The success of Modena Design laid the foundation for Pagani Automobili S.p.A. Let's look into the birth of Pagani Automobili. In 1992, Horacio Pagani founded Pagani Automobili with a clear vision to create the ultimate road car. His first creation, the Zonda, debuted in 1999 after nearly a decade of development. The Zonda was unlike any other car on the market, featuring a bespoke design, a carbon titanium monocoque, and a Mercedes-Benz AMG V12 engine. The Zonda's design drew inspiration from jet fighters and Le Mans prototypes, resulting in a car that was as visually striking as it was technologically advanced. The Zonda was an instant sensation, captivating automotive enthusiasts and critics alike with its audacious styling and blistering performance. Each subsequent iteration of the Zonda pushed the envelope further, incorporating more powerful engines, refined aerodynamics, and even more exclusive materials. Limited production runs ensured that each Zonda was a rare and highly coveted piece of automotive art. The Zonda series established Pagani as a formidable player in the hypercar segment. Models such as the Zonda C12, Zonda F, Zonda Cinquecento, and Zonda R showcased the brand's commitment to innovation and excellence. Each variant was a testament to Pagani's philosophy of continuous improvement, with advancements in power, handling, and aerodynamics. Zonda R, unveiled in 2009, was a track-focused evolution that pushed the boundaries of performance. It featured a 6.0-liter V12 engine producing 739 horsepower, a weight-saving carbon titanium monocoque, and an aggressive aerodynamic package. The Zonda R's record-breaking lap times and engineering prowess solidified Pagani's reputation as a purveyor of extreme performance. Despite the introduction of its successor, the Huayra, the Zonda's legacy endures. Special editions and one-off models continue to be produced for discerning collectors, each representing the pinnacle of bespoke automotive craftsmanship. In 2011, Pagani introduced the Huayra, named after the Incan god of wind. The Huayra represented a new chapter for Pagani, embodying the brand's relentless pursuit of perfection. The Huayra's design philosophy was rooted in aerodynamics, with an active aerodynamics system that adjusted the car's flaps in real time to optimize downforce and drag. At the heart of the Huayra was a 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine developed by Mercedes-AMG, producing 7,200 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. This powerhouse propelled the Huayra from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.8 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 230 mph. The Huayra's carbon titanium monocoque, advanced suspension system, and state-of-the-art electronics ensured that it delivered an unparalleled driving experience. The Huayra's interior was a blend of luxury and innovation, featuring hand-stitched leather, aluminum accents, and a cutting-edge infotainment system. Every detail, from the intricate gear shifter to the bespoke instrumentation, reflected Pagani's commitment to artistry and functionality. Building on the success of the Huayra, Pagani introduced the Huayra Roadster in 2017. This open-top variant retained the coupe's performance while offering an exhilarating open-air experience. The Roadster's removable roof panels, crafted from carbon fiber and glass, combined lightweight construction with structural rigidity. The Huayra BC, named after Horacio Pagani's close friend and mentor Benny Caiola, was a track-focused evolution of the Huayra. Unveiled in 2016, the BC featured extensive use of lightweight materials, a more powerful engine, and an advanced aerodynamics package. The BC's performance and exclusivity made it a sought-after collector's item, embodying Pagani's ethos of pushing the limits of engineering and design. One of Pagani's defining characteristics is its dedication to customization. Each Pagani vehicle is built to order, allowing customers to personalize every aspect of their car. From bespoke paint finishes and custom interior trims to unique aerodynamic components and performance upgrades, Pagani offers an unparalleled level of customization. This bespoke approach ensures that no two Pagani cars are alike, making each one a unique work of art. The company's commitment to individuality extends to its partnerships with artisans and craftsmen who contribute to the creation of these automotive masterpieces. From hand-stitched leather to intricately machined aluminum components, every detail is a testament to Pagani's pursuit of perfection. Now, let's talk about the future of Pagani. As Pagani looks to the future, the company continues to innovate and push the boundaries of automotive engineering. The next-generation hypercar, codenamed C10, promises to build on the legacy of the Zonda and Huayra while introducing new technologies and design elements. Pagani's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility is also evident, with the development of hybrid and electric powertrains. Horacio Pagani's vision of combining art and science in the automotive world remains the driving force behind the brand. As Pagani continues to create exclusive, high-performance hypercars, it will undoubtedly inspire future generations of automotive enthusiasts and engineers. Pagani Automobili stands as a testament to the fusion of art and engineering. From its humble beginnings to its status as a premier hypercar manufacturer, Pagani has remained true to Horacio Pagani's vision of creating automotive masterpieces. Each Pagani vehicle is a symphony of design, technology, and craftsmanship, embodying the pinnacle of automotive excellence. As the brand continues to innovate and evolve, it will undoubtedly leave an indelible mark on the world of high-performance automobiles, captivating the hearts and minds of enthusiasts for generations to come. And that concludes our journey into the world of Pagani, where art meets engineering in the most spectacular fashion. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the legacy and brilliance of Pagani. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. We have more exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.